No priors, Your Honor.
No priors, okay. Ms. Welsh, come up. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, as a condition of your bond, I'm ordering you not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're using alcohol or illegal drugs, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. No more PR bonds for you. Do you understand, ma'am?
Yes.
License?
Eligible, Your Honor.
Great. You're not allowed to drive unless you have a valid license. You must also maintain liability insurance in your name. Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance. You don't have to waste your time coming to court, but you must stay in touch, Mr. Sturgeon. He'll tell you if and when you have to come back to court. If he tells me he cannot get a hold of you, I will revoke your bond. So just stay in touch with him and he'll tell you. For now, we'll just have you sign a reset. You'll sign conditions, then you're out of here. Okay? Take care, guys. You too. Take.
All right, Judge, bottom of the page, oh, sorry, top of page 2. Badalamante,
Okay.
come on up.
Hey, morning. So where is this theft from, please?
It's from a Vape City retail vape store.
Got it. Okay. Let me see if this is crap. The wrong one. Yeah, left. No, man, you did one. Do it. Do all of them. Why don't you just did it? You. Come on. Don't be lazy. Okay, you need to do more than that. All right. Sir, as a condition of your bond, I'm ordering you not to go back to this location. If I find that you do, if you pick up a new case, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. No more PR bonds. Do you understand, sir? Okay, do you mind filing those conditions, please? Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer? Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer?
I do, yeah.
Are you working at this time?
Yes.
Okay. So we will give you time. I'm going to have you go to Victoria Center Reset. I'm going to have you take your seat in jury box while we get your bond conditions. Once you sign them, at that point, you'll be free to go. You are not to go back to this location. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
All right, Judge, top of 20. Gardens of Falls.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, as a condition of any prior criminal history,
Checking out, no,
license,
you're already getting out.
please. Ma'am, as a condition of your bond, or you're charged with driving while intoxicated, you're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. As a condition of your bond, I'm ordering you not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. You will be randomly tested. If I find that you're using, I will put you in jail. No more PR bonds. Do you understand, ma'am?
License is illegal.
Okay, you're not allowed to drive unless you have a valid license. You must also maintain liability insurance in your name. If you don't have liability insurance, likewise, you do not drive. I'm going to have you, or do you have the ability to hire a lawyer?
Time to retain.
Sure, we'll give you time. Just don't wait too long. Timing is of an issue in this types of case. I'll have you sign a reset. You'll get with Veronica for your bond conditions. Then after that, you'll be free to go, ma'am. Please.
All right, Judge, next is bottom of 21, Martinez, come on up.
Ma'am, you are charged with driving while intoxicated. As a condition of your bond, I'm ordering you not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. You will be randomly tested because you had one dismissed not too long ago. I'm now ordering you not to drive any vehicle that's not equipped with an ignition interlock. If you're caught driving a vehicle that doesn't have an interlock, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. I'm sending notice to DPS in Austin so that every police officer in this state knows if you're caught driving a vehicle, that vehicle doesn't have an interlock, they're going to take you to jail. Do you understand? I don't care what you have to do. I don't care where you have to go. You cannot justify driving a car without an interlock for any reason. Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer?
No,
What do you do for a living?
I'm a manager,
Okay, and how much money do you make a month, man?
about 3,000.
Are you married?
No, it's in home.
How many children do you have?
I have one child.
Okay. Deputy Chigon will give you an application. I need to know everything about you, whether you have any other sources of income, how much money you have in the bank, what kind of car you drive, how many cars, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, IRAs. I'll take a look to see whether you qualify.
Okay.
You're going to sign a reset. We'll get you with your conditions. Do not drive without an interlock. Do you understand? Okay.
All right, Judge, top of 31, Vance.
It looks like I'm going to do probable cause on this one. He's got some significant history. Mr. Vance, you're charged with terroristic threat of a family or household member. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
On June 13th, 2024, officer was dispatched to an address. Upon arrival, he spoke with complainant, who advised the defendant, her husband, had called her on the phone and said he was on his way home and told her, "I'm gonna kill you, bitch." The complainant reported that she was in fear of her life and advised that she wanted to protect her.
So he has a prior BPO, assault, mischief, interference. Do any of these relate to the same complaining witness?
The same complainant on the BPO, the mischief, the AFM, and the
All of them.
same complainant.
I'm placing on you a magistrate's order for emergency protection. This is a court order that identifies Ms. Vance as a protected individual. You cannot commit family violence or an assault against this person. If you do, then you're in violation of this order. The state can and will file a violation of a protective order against you. That is the capital murder of misdemeanors. Do you understand, Mr. Vance?
Yes.
When I mean no contact, I mean no contact at all. Use of third parties, social media, text messaging, phone calls, anything. You will also get a monitor on your ankle so I know where you are, and you're not to go within 200 feet of where she lives or where she works. Do you understand?
Yes.
We are going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer. So I will have you go to Victoria, sign a reset. You'll get with Veronica for your bond conditions, and after that, you'll be free to go. Okay, shoot, sure. I'm not going to talk to you about the case. You have the right to remain silent. Exercise that right, because whatever you say, they're going to, use it against you to prove your guilt. So it's probably not a good idea to talk about the case. You need to hire a lawyer, and the lawyer can, advise you on how to go forward. Please.
Mr. James. Open something right there.
Okay. That note is in your future.
Thank you so much.
All right, page 33, Judge Williams,
Okay.
come on up.
Go ahead and sign for your reset. Have a signature box.
Oh, yeah.
Did you say top of 33 or bottom? Mr. Williams, do you have a lawyer today? Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer? What do you do for a living? You're a welder. How much money do you make a month? Welders make a lot of money.
Imaginary.
Sorry?
That's imaginary.
What's imaginary? Okay, and that doesn't sound imaginary to me.
Is this a court of record?
In a manner of speaking, when we're on the record, it's a court of
I would
record.
like to, for the record, state that I reserve all my rights for UCC 1-308,
Okay,
and I don't waive that never.
okay, great. But you need a lawyer to represent you. You're charged with driving while your license is suspended.
I object, Your Honor. I was exercising my amendment rights to travel.
Okay, well, you still need a license to travel, to convey,
I-
to drive,
License
to,
transfers my rights to privileges. I am not a 14th Amendment citizen. I'm American
well,
citizen.
how does that apply if you try to reserve all your rights and now you're not a 14th Amendment citizen?
Exactly.
Those are two contrary to each other.
No,
Sure they are.
before the ratification, my rights is reserved before they were usurped to be privileges and for the state, which is a fictitious entity, and I being a common man of natural law, natural law, does not have jurisdiction to choose to make me pay any fines or criminal or anything like that. When I am exercising my right as a human, as a man, common law.
Okay.
So I brought my affidavit of fact to be filed to dismiss this case and have all the stenography conveyed to me. And all the rights that was deprived for 18 USC 241 and 242. Returned to the defendant, Andrew Morgan.
So,
So that Andrew Morgan Williams can go about his private life and also his right to liberty, freedom, and justice.
great. So, Mr. Williams, does Mr. Williams have a license to drive?
I object, a license does not make me applicable to travel.
Okay, you can object. And it will be duly noted, but as a condition of your bond, I'm ordering you not to drive if you don't have a valid license and insurance in your name. I'm well within my right to place those restrictions on you. So if
I
you
object.
can,
Okay.
but I'm still
Does
placing
your-
them on you.
Does your delegation come from Congress?
Okay,
Does your delegation of authority come from Congress?
okay. I'm placing on you now these conditions. Please do not drive. If I find that you do, Mr. Williams, I will revoke your bond and I'm going to put you in jail. I understand that you would object to that, but I'm still within my right to do that. So if you want to drive, you need a license, you need insurance, and then I will happily take this restriction off.
Defendant Andrew Gordon Williams did in fact have the document that you required him to have, and whatever reason,
Oh, hold on.
the
Does,
Sixth
does,
Amendment-
does Mr. Williams have a license to drive? Hey. You are Mr. Williams, correct?
Right representative.
So are you not Mr. Williams then?
I am Andrew Gordon Williams, not
Okay.
the fictitious
So-
entity. I am the living, breathing man.
Great.
On this docket?
Hold on. Look, I've got a bunch of work to do. I have a ton of people I still need to talk to. So I'm happy to, if you want to, I'll talk to you. Let me smooth everything out with everybody else, and then I'm happy to talk to you more. But I'm going to place this restriction on you regardless. It's what I do on every person when they're charged with a suspended license case. We just ask, order them, please do not drive unless you have a license. They've checked you in the DPS system. The system shows that your license is not eligible, so you're not allowed to drive. You're not allowed to convey. You're not allowed to travel by means of driving a car. If you want to take the Dodge Patas anywhere, you can do that. You can be a passenger in a car, but don't drive a car. If you do, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail.
My consumer goods, which I locomote and move, is not what you are definition of.
You can try to justify however you want. It really, you can, and but at the end of the day, if I find that you drive, it's just really not going to go well. That's it. I have a lot of people that try to use the same verbiage, the same justification, but at the end of the day, if you're in a car, you're driving, whether it's for commercial, whether it's for residential, whether it's for personal, whether it's for private, whether it's for going to see Bambi or whatever it may be, you're still under the jurisdiction of the laws of the state, of the county, and I'm asking you, please don't drive. You need a lawyer to represent you, unless you want to choose to represent yourself, which you can always do. So if you want to do that, I have to have what's called a Feretta hearing. So if you want to give me a little bit of time, let me talk to other people. I've got a lot of bond violations. Sorry?
I need to get to work.
Okay, just do not drive.
Can I have the?
Do you understand?
Stenographic records conveyed to me, please, pertaining to this case?
I don't have any stenographic records pertaining to this case.
Is there? Is it not a court of record then? It's operating under the call of law.
Do you mind filing those conditions, please?
Yes, there's.
This is an affidavit that you're going to promise me today that you're not going to drive, Mr. Williams. If you do, like I said, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. We will give you time to either hire a lawyer. If you'd like to, you can also represent yourself. But like I said, we have to have a hearing to see whether you should. Just because you can doesn't mean you should, as with everything in life. So let me have you sign this promise. I'm going to have you take a seat and, well, we don't have any more room. Where do you want to? I'm going to have bond conditions created for you to sign. Once you sign at that point, you'll be free to go. Okay?
Right.
Please.
That's it for now.
So no driving without valid license and insurance. Hey, Mark, just the last name of your client.
Yes, sir. Green.
Is, okay,
So Judge, we were here a couple weeks ago. It came back with a presumptive positive for THC. You said to reset it to today so she could go and retest. She's in the jury box, Your Honor, so just trying to see if we can send her over for that test.
yeah, for sure. Okay,
And
for it.
if it comes back negative, does she have to come back here?
no,
Okay, perfect.
No.
Thank you.
okay,
May I
Hi.
come out of the box?
of course.
You'll have to file this right for an attorney to file. Some of this for information that you provided is not administered.
Counsel, you ready?
I
Yeah, yeah.
missed my day.
Hey, how are you?
I'm here, Mr. Frazier.
It seems that like every time we try to,
So we have the same issue. There's still outside of the 200 foot range. Same thing as last time.
say it again?
We had the same issue as the last hearing, in which there's no sort of evidence presented that he was actually within 200 feet of the exclusion zone.
Hey, Veronica, was he within the 200 feet or no? Raise your.
Judge, I'm just looking off the.
Why are they
email that-
sending BVRs if he's not within? I don't understand.
I think it's almost just device stings. It's just does, but it's not within 200.
It's not supposed to if you're not in,
I
you
think
know, if
with
you're
us
compliant.
amending the exclusion zone to 200 feet, I'm not sure that it goes off when it's supposed to every time, but
Or,
Same.
I mean, let's see. They
it's the same
can,
location as it was at the last hearing.
So he enters the zone on 11:43 and then exits it 11:45, so he was only there, like, within the zone for 2 minutes.
how far in?
If he's sending himself to the court.
Judge, just going off the email that pre-trial provided that said that he was at the same location where he was alleged to have been.
I understand the location, but we tried to accommodate you guys. We asked you, what is the appropriate feet, you know?
Judge, I say that to say that location is not within 200 feet. That's the same thing we had last time. We've been here. This is
So
not fair.
you're telling me it's outside of the 200 feet?
Yes, sir.
She's saying that he went in the exclusion zone.
I understand that. My point is that they are just are assuming that the device dings every time it's within 200 feet. It does not. We did this last time.
To check it out, look at the map which she has. It should show exactly where he goes. If he
Right,
goes
as the
within.
car wash is 250 feet from the rest from the place.
I don't understand.
Zero.
Mr. Haynes.
Council, what is that? Yes.
So.
I heard that.
Miss, can I give you a call this number? Or I guess when you're done, let me know. Ready?
Yes.
It's 2544065. Has this person turned himself in?
The physical were sit-downs?
Yeah.
What were they supposed to have themselves on? That can't, were you not just like?
Or did he just do time or what was he not? I know that there's a guardian interlock. Or was it maybe Cruz in the queue? One of those dudes was supposed to turn himself in to do like a week or something like that. I don't want to remove the interlock until they've completely, have both of them satisfied their sentence?
Yeah,
But he also had he had an MRP, he also had a DBI, and then he had a, who was the one, remember? He was supposed to turn himself in, right? Do you happen to remember when? Is he on probation?
Last Monday.
There's no transit. Yes. Council for read that?
David? You want to watch your movie? The mic? Okay, hand it.
You can play it minor. It's almost a James.
Depending on how complicated what you it's actually translate right now.
No, the courtyard language classes and later.
No, I know, it's like,
Oh, right now, I think we should.
Oh, okay, sure, not.
Can I get her?
Okay, yo.
Mr. Khan,
You can go sit down.
James, what are you guys thinking?
Well, I mean, so I was thinking about the time, so I'm just gonna take it, I just moved the
Okay.
whole issue, so.
Got it.
Zoom at 10, so here.
I'll let you know.
People.
Hopefully we should, if he's on time, we'll do it as soon as she gets here. I'll let you know. Thanks.
All right, visual notice.
Okay, Alice is ready. I'll start at the beginning, okay? No.
Yeah, so.
And is that elementary?
You want to check with her to see if she has a map?
I will.
I don't know.
I'm just trying to make it in the best way most possible, or it's just that. Because
I just want to make sure he's not going within because they're saying he's within.
they're just saying,
Absolutely. That's what it says. He's
I
within
know,
the
Judge,
200
it's just,
feet.
we did this last time and it's not within, and they agreed last time. We're actually
So I was just wrong.
You're gonna go over this, and then we set to hire them, we're gonna go over this paperwork, front back. You'll have those section. I can't find anything about it right now.
Just, they can't give you advice. Just sign the conditions and go, please. They cannot give you advice.
Supposed to come back. April 27th, today's time.
Judge, did you want to go over THA?
Can we, you and I first, that way we don't have to.
Bottom of
I'm not sure, just be here at April 27th.
Okay, thank you. That's, I'm good. I'm good to go.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Have a good day. Thank you.
And so, John, Mr. Goldman's all conditions are in queue.
Um. Balbuena, come up. Morning, sir. Do you have a lawyer today?
What's that?
Do you have a lawyer today?
That's right.
Tell me what you're doing about that.
So last time I was here last month, told me to get a report, and I was trying to, be off. Like, you made me sign, like, swears not to drive. So I'm having to go. Without.
I just ask you to follow the law. Right. Okay.
So I can't. I had Rich Trevor, the ones that I got.
How do you support yourself now then?
Stop me, get a little bit, I got, trying to see how to get this kind of going, obviously what I can do. I need to.
Okay, let's go. Can you give me an application, please? I need to know everything about you, how much money you have in the bank, what kind of cars you have, any sources of income, and then I'll take a look to see whether they qualify. You will be expected to work. You need to be the best person you can be. You don't get to play Xbox all day while everybody else is footing the bill. So we're bringing you back in 2 weeks and I want to see what you have done to get a job. Do you understand? All right, come on. You ready?
Yes,
Come on up, counsel.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Andres Salazar, that was the email that was sent to me on Friday about the alleged BBR for a scram tamper.
Okay,
And he is here. I chatted with CLO, or excuse me, bond supervision. I asked because he also has an interlock and GPS. I also put he was on his way to work. I don't have any report that an interlock detected alcohol. I'm trying to figure
well,
out.
the problem is a lot of times what people do is they will interfere with the device in such a way that it loses detection for a certain amount of time, whether it be 10 hours, 12 hours, you know, so.
But he did have to blow into his interlock to start his vehicle.
And I informed counsel that I was still waiting on the report.
Okay, so let's just give it time. I want to see the report and we'll go from there.
All
Okay,
right.
I'm curious to see, is there a time that it loses detection with the skin, you know?
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Judge, on page 3, both.
No, exactly.
Mr. Bell, come up. No, no, no. Good morning, sir. Okay. Boss is an extremely disrespectful term. If you call me boss again, I'm going to hold you in contempt. Do you understand me? Okay, we'll give you another date and then we'll see you in a month. Please.
Bottom of three, Judge. Oh, there's somebody that's trying to speak. I don't see that he's violated, but it was right, it's actually the law. And then it's something. It's still not in the law. Okay. Anyway, sign on me just fine. That just means you're signing on.
Bradley, come up, sir. Good morning, sir. Do you have a lawyer today? Tell me, how are you supporting yourself now? Okay, so I'll give you an application, but you will be expected to work. And I'm going bringing you back in 2 weeks. I want to see what you have done to get a job. I want to see 20, 30 applications for different jobs. Do you understand? All right, come on.
All right, go ahead and sign. Judge, bottom of 22.
So you see Bradley gave an application. Okay. Newsom. Good morning, ma'am. Do you have a lawyer today?
No,
Tell me what you're doing about that.
I did call on some legal aid and they told me to go the application.
Are you working at this time?
No, I take care of my handicap.
Okay, and how do you support yourself?
That was at the room and board. I'm helping her.
Okay.
So we're helping her just get on the board.
Yes. Deputy Echegon is going to give you an application. I need to know everything about you, how much money you have at the bank, how much money you have coming in, and I'll take a look to see whether you qualify. If you put zeros, I'm going to send it right back to you. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So I need you to fill it out fully and completely, and you will end up swearing to it.
Yes, sir.
All right? Okay, please.
All right, Judge, bottom of 25.
Richardson, come up. Do you have a lawyer, Mr. Richardson? Tell me what you're doing about that.
I got one, I just haven't paid it.
When's that gonna happen?
I just need like 2.
Your case is too old. I'm sorry, dude. So I need you to fill out an application for me and then we'll see whether you qualify. If you're not working at this time, you will be expected to work and I'm bringing you back in 2 weeks to see what you have done to get a job. You understand?
I work,
What do you do for a living?
lead man at a manufacturing steel plant.
How much money are you making a month?
Uh,
Don't do that. You know exactly
No,
how
I
much
do.
money you make. Don't play games.
not like, but probably like $1.
Okay, you're not going to qualify and your case is now 140 days old. I'm now giving you a week to have your lawyer here. Your case is old and the next setting is jury trial. Do you understand? Come on.
Top of 26.
Rivera, morning, Mr. Rivera. Do you have a lawyer today? Tell me what you're doing about that. How many did you talk to? I'm sorry? What are you doing for, how do you support yourself? Okay, and how much money do you make a month? 10,000? $7,000 a month. You're not going to qualify for a lawyer. 99% of lawyers will put you on a payment plan. If you ask for a couple $100, they will represent you. You need to hire a lawyer. We're going to give you another 30 days. When you come back, have a lawyer. You're not going to qualify. Do you understand? All right.
All right, Judge, bottom of 27.
Give me a second. I have to take a little bit of notes on this. Okay, you ready? Veronica, any headway on Mr.?
So the GPS device shows that he's at a business outside of the neighborhood.
So it's not within the 200 feet.
No.
Why do they, this is the second time they've done that.
Whenever the device goes off, when it's within that 200 feet of EDR,
Andrew Williams.
What do you mean when the device goes off?
so he is within the 200 feet of the exclusion zone, but he's not in the neighborhood, he's not by the house. But because it's.
How is he within the 200 feet?
Car wash.
There's a business right outside of the neighborhood. Yeah, I can show you the.
Can you show it? Yeah, can you show it to me so I can see it? Is this, does he just hang out at the car wash or is his house there? What?
Car wash, everybody.
Hmm?
It's car wash, everybody.
Mhm.
You should just go to the car wash.
I worked as a bartender at Chili's a long time ago. And I remember these three guys would come in every day, right? And one of these, he eventually got a new Mustang and it was really sweet. And dude must have washed his Mustang every day. He like literally, I mean, it was the proudest thing of this. So he lived at this car wash.
Yeah.
So I understand that you get your car. I mean, that's perfectly, there's nothing wrong with that, but as long as it's not within the zone,
Are you
then
gonna get your car wash today?
no. Well, I need to. With all the pollen this past week, it was ridiculous. It was like all yellow outside.
I just walked by yesterday.
Is it happening every Friday that he washes his car here?
It's all with the, BVR's always called Wednesday, the violation's on Friday. I kind of screwed it up. We could also admonish him to not.
No, I don't want to, I mean, as long as he's just not, my only concern is I just don't want him to go near the place. I don't care if he's going to get his car washed.
So basically, I'm bringing the same address, we can reverse, and then that's the point, there's,
So, come here. The triangle is what?
Hey,
Where's the car wash?
I don't see.
Is this the car? Is this it?
I don't see a car wash on,
Yeah.
I just needed the shopping space, so there's like,
So can we mark them to not file a BVR if he goes to this particular location? That way they stop filing, because my only concern is that he's going near. If he's going to this place here and that's it, then I don't want to keep dragging him over here for that. So we'll tell him not to file the BVR if this is where he's going. But if he's going anywhere, like really, then I have a problem. Okay, all right, we'll just continue supervision. If you could please mark it. Okay, okay. Thanks.
Thank you. You have a good day.
You too.
I like your Spider-Man shirt.
Yeah, another.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll
Victoria, anyone else? Page 28.
Yes, Judge Bottom, at 28.
Smith, come up. Hey, Ms. Charles.
Yes.
Come on. Yes.
I am here on this Fleischer Hightower.
Okay.
Over at Court 8.
Okay, I get it. What's up? In jail, obviously, right? Okay.
Hold on one second. I'm on a Zoom court right now.
Okay, tell me what's the word.
So apparently her bond was revoked and raised in this court on March 20th, but she was also taken into custody on the felony March 20th. And I think she alerted someone in court 5 about what was going on.
I don't remember.
It might have just been a procedural thing in the 228, but she didn't.
Well,
have
should we
capacity.
not have done that?
Huh?
Should we have not revoked it?
I don't think so. I think there was a bond violation report given in the 228 on March 16th. And then she was trying to do a walkthrough to come to court on the 20th. They took her into custody.
I think that she didn't appear on the 20th. That's
Yeah, 'cause she
why.
was taken to jail on the 20th.
Oh, well, I guess maybe we didn't know that.
Right.
So she was in jail at that time.
That's right.
Okay. That's right. That's, okay, so I'll reinstate it. It's not a big deal. I mean, if we didn't know it, then we didn't know it, then I'll reinstate it for you.
That's it.
Yeah, for sure. Yes, ma'am. So we need to put conditions though. I mean, she's on bond for an aggravated assault. She's now picked up, this is her third VPO. So, I mean, Veronica, we're talking about Hightower. So GPS prior to release.
I didn't hear what you said, Judge. I'm sorry.
I was gonna put a GPS prior to release. You know, actually, we'll just mirror the felony conditions. Whatever they are, we'll mirror it. If, I mean, I don't know if they will, but GPS, certainly GPS prior to release, no contact with plaintiff witness, no weapons, no going within 200 feet.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you, Judge.
for sure. She's here. You ready?
Yes. So just, yes, okay.
Have you already spoken to your client and admonished her about the condition? About the plea paperwork? Yeah, okay. Miss Woe, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, come up, Ms. Chen.
陈小姐，
Shh.
Quiet down.
Ms. Chen, you were charged with theft.
陈小姐，你被指控是偷窃。
I'm gonna turn it up. Okay, can you say something real quick, please?
陈小姐，你听得到我讲吗？ I just asked Miss Chen whether she hear me. He said yes.
Okay.
法
You were
官说
facing,
你指控偷窃，
you were facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine.
这个指控呢，处罚坐牢最高是6个月，罚款$2000。
You have worked out an agreement. They're offering you 3 days in jail, credit for 4.
你现在达成协议，这是坐牢时间3天，但是抵扣4天。OK，
By pleading guilty, this case will go on your record.
你现在认罪的话，那么你就有记录。
You give up many rights entering into this agreement.
你放弃很多你拥有的权利来接受这份协议，
You give up the right to a trial.
放弃由开庭审判，
The right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf.
放弃你要求证人出席作证的权利。
If you are not a citizen, there are immigration consequences.
如果你不是美国公民的话，你有那个移民的后果。
You can be deported,
你可以被递解出境，
excluded from the country,
拒绝再进入美国，
or denied naturalization.
或者呢拒绝你规划美国公民。
You give up the right to appeal.
放弃上诉的权利，
You can never change this in the future.
你不能够以后就不能够改变了，
Do you understand?
你明白吗？
Is this what you want to do?
你现在就要接受这个认罪协议，对不对？
How do you plead to this case? Guilty or not guilty?
对这个指控认罪还是不认罪？
I think she said guilty, right?
Yeah, I don't think she did, but yes, she did judge.
Okay. I will find you guilty.
我就判你有罪。
I will sentence you to this agreement.
现在我就是同意这份协议。
The 2 places were Lululemon and which one?
The previous one was. It was Macy's church.
Miss Chen, they know who you are.
他们知道你是谁，
Every time you go to these stores, they see you on camera.
你每次到这些店呢，他们就从镜头
They
上
have
看到你，
pictures of you.
他们已经有你的照片。
As soon as you walk in, every eye will be on you.
你每一次进到这个店的话，他们都会看得认得出是你。
From now on, you are facing a minimum of 30 days in jail.
现在呢，你要判最少坐牢是30天。
There are no more slaps on the wrist.
因为这个呢，不能够再这这个风险，
Do you understand?
你明白了吗？
you are facing a lot of jail time next time.
下一次罪犯的话，那你坐牢时间就更长。
Okay, good luck.
She has the GPS.
Well, everything will get off today.
Okay,
Yep.
she wanted to use it for her.
Oh, okay. Miss Woe, come on, hold up, promise.
Yes, Donna, I'm here.
Interpreter, to let her know to report for our office with the device charger.
She needs to report to the office with the device charger.
他说你要到一个办公室，把你那个可能你那个脚踝跟踪器要处理掉。
Okay. And we can get the device removed today.
And what?
We'll get the device removed today.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Miss Woe.
With the internal excuse.
Yes, ma'am, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. You good day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sit over here.
She's gonna take this off.
Okay, Mr. Smith, you ready?
Yes, sir.
Come on up.
And your bond supervision officer also gave me the information that's available.
So the scram device was inactive from 4:44 a.m. to 5:52 p.m., so about a 13-hour window. We do have flows from the initial interlock that were all passed from 4:31 a.m., 4:43, then 12:53 in the afternoon, 3:52, and then 4:07 p.m.
But there's a gap in there where conceivably can he consume? So you said there are blows, hold on a second. So why does the device go dead?
It didn't go dead, it was a tamper, and so, there's something, in between the device and the skin to where.
Sure. Have you looked at the device to see if it's him blowing?
I have not, but the officer looked at the report and,
And they tell that it's him that's blowing?
I can double confirm.
So tell me the hour that it goes?
It is, when the blows were,
No. Well, we're gonna get there, but the dead time.
4:44 a.m. to 5:52 p.m.
And what was the date of the 4:44?
That was February 5th.
2:20. Okay, so, and then the blows that we have from that 4:40 a.m. on, what are the blows that you have?
4:43 a.m. And then 12:53 p.m.
Sorry, Mr. Smith, that's too long. It's too long. Come up. You.
And before you chat with my client, I have his work schedule. I presented this to the state.
Come up.
If he asks me what is going on so that it doesn't happen in the future.
And you don't put something in between.
Well, I don't know that that's what my client did. He was at work here on that.
I don't know that, but all I know is that the device lost touch with his skin for nearly an entire, day? You know? So that doesn't happen just on happenstance or just because.
These are not infallible, Judge.
I understand, but here we lost detection with the skin for a significant period of time. And the reason that I have that, in addition to just that, is to ensure there's no drinking going on. We're now on a third DWI. I want to make sure that he's not using. And the device lost touch with the skin for an entire day. You're going in. Unacceptable.
But he also blew multiple times during that day with no alcohol.
Right, but there's still a 12-hour window where he didn't blow. So he could conceivably consume and we'd never know.
That's not true. That's not what she said, Your Honor. He did blow during that time.
So go ahead, take him in, and then if you can give me a breakdown, because show me every single blow that happened, but regardless, the thing lost contact with the skin for an entire day.
So what is his bond being set at, Your Honor?
If I revoke his bond, what's it at now? 100? What's his last name again?
Sal, sorry, Your Honor.
5,001. 5,001. Show me the breakdown, but I mean, if there's a significant period of time where he hasn't blown, then he's going in.
Okay. Here's the number of times. Sorry.
Go to the last one.
So from 4 in the morning until 1 o'clock in the afternoon, there's no blow. That's a 13-hour window, give or take, you know?
I understand.
Yeah,
of course.
I mean, it's,
And I also have this time card that you said. And then at all times, be negative. So what he was asking me just now is where he believes he did nothing wrong. He's arguing he didn't tamper with it. That's right. He has it on right now. He's trying to figure out so that this is not an issue. What can he do? Because
how would how would I, all I know is that the device lost touch with the skin for nearly a day. It's not supposed to. It's supposed to sit on your skin so snug that nothing can get in there. Not a piece of paper, not a napkin, not a coast, nothing. But if it loses contact with your skin, there's a reason. It doesn't happen. Just,
I understand the court's position. I've seen issues with it.
I have seen issues with it too. I'm not saying it's infallible,
Right.
but if it loses contact with your skin for nearly an entire day, there's a reason, right? If you know that there's a problem with the machine, it's on you to go to the place, alert someone, not come back nearly a month later. And the only reason, because we drag him in here to let him know, oh, by the way, it's been gone for a day.
And we didn't know about it. until today.
Dubious.
We didn't know until today. I don't know if it gives an alert. If there's some issue, clearly it didn't detect anything other than it couldn't contact the skin. So I have
Yeah.
no indication that it can at all.
Because it's not with contact with his skin.
I understand, but he's also at work, which is what I provided.
I don't know that.
I provided that to the court here. And it's easily verifiable by one supervision officer. If I'm probably the employer, he was at work. And if I'm being lied to, I'm being lied to, but that's, I don't know what else.
But I don't, we don't work on hunches, whether it's probable cause, whether it's bond conditions, whether it's bond violation. We don't work on hunches. We don't work on, okay, well, maybe it's this, maybe it's that. No. The fact is that it lost contact with the skin for an entire day. It's not supposed to.
There's no.
You know,
proof beyond- the court is reasonable.
It's not a beyond a reasonable doubt standard anyways.
Then what is the hunch? It seems like a hunch.
The hunch is that there's 12 hours unaccounted for that we don't know what happened with him. He could have 3 beers. We would never even know about it.
I understand the court's position.
I'm not asking, I just don't want you to use. That's all I want. I've put on, you know,
Every device there is-
in 2.5 years, we have 3 DWIs.
Those are gonna be done shortly, Your Honor. And this will not be an issue anymore for the court to consider. I'm addressing that. The court does not have the information on what was alleged with those prior DWIs, but ultimately the state dismissed those. He was not convicted of those. I understand.
I get it, but I just don't want him to drink. And I put the device on his ankle so that I know that it doesn't happen. I've got a day that it goes unaccounted for. It's unacceptable. It can't be like that, you know? And if I don't, then I'm telling him it's okay. I'm telling you, look, it's okay for you to have bond violation because nothing's going to happen to you.
So as Juan said, is it?
5,001.
Okay, all right, thank you, Your Honor.
Counsel.
Good morning, Judge.
Hey.
I'm here on a case, gentleman in custody, but not here in Harris County. Last name Grogan, first name
Just last name.
Grogan.
Is it, you say he's in jail?
He is in jail in Jefferson County, though.
Okay,
We were here last week and he asked me to reset for a week, see what his family was gonna do.
right.
They're not gonna be able to bond amount out there. He's only $15,000.
Okay, just verify it. And then do you know when the next setting is over there?
I do not yet. They have a very old website that I got paid for to get access
To
to.
pay for it just to see what's going on?
No, just to pull it.
Just,
So, I don't know.
can you verify that he's still in custody? And then I guess we'll give you 30 days or something and just, tell them to keep us in the loop. If we hear that he's out, then,
Sounds good.
yeah, okay.
Appreciate it. Would you like that for a bond forfeiture setting or just a regular setting?
Yeah, I guess SFBF so that we know he's got to be here for the next setting.
Thank you, Judge. Appreciate it.
For sure. Maria,
Judge Baker,
hey,
Judge, I'm approaching on Nicholas.
is that the last name?
Last name, Todd.
That's the last one.
Okay,
And Mr. Nicholas was here present in court earlier this morning, Judge, and when I got here, he had already left. And I reached him on the phone and he said that he got a call from his wife that his son was at school, but he had an emergency and she was gonna go pick him up. And so he went.
I mean,
But he was here.
the harassment and, hey, tell me who's the complaining witness in the harassment?
The complaining witness in the harassment charge is. I have a name, I'm trying to find the connection in relation to it.
So let's do this. Will SFBF tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
He's got to be here tomorrow. If he fails to appear, it gets revoked.
Yeah.
Okay? And then in the interim, can you figure out who the complaining witnesses are to see if this is one of the complaining witnesses?
I don't believe that they say that the complaining witness is someone that rents the house from the defendant. Like,
Okay.
he's a.
Either, because we have a terroristic threat, now we have a harassment, or either of the complaining witnesses. And then I'll give you, just find out for tomorrow. Okay. All right, Maria. Lavage,
Yes, Your Honor. Good
Hey, bud.
morning.
just the last name of your client, please.
Cox, COX.
Okay, so what do you guys want to do with this?
Well, I know it's an old case, Your Honor.
Yeah.
I'd like to either reset it so I can come back in person, or I can roll it to Thursday. I'll be in your court anyway on another matter.
Is discovery complete?
Is that Mr. Cox, that I'm on?
No, he's,
He's in court, Your Honor.
what the hell's going on? Just sit down. I don't have you on it, Mr. D.
Yes, Judge, sorry. Discovery is complete.
Okay, the case is 2 years old, man. I'll give you till Thursday, I guess. Do you have offers on the case?
Yeah, Judge, I'll get that.
Please. They're gonna put offers on the case, Brian.
Yes, Your Honor.
I guess I'll give you till Monday.
I can be there. I'm gonna be there Thursday anyway. If I can talk to the state, so that's fine with me.
Is that enough time for you?
Yes, Your Honor. I'll take a look at everything and no problem.
All right, we'll put you on for the Thursday then.
Okay,
Okay.
I'll see you on the 26th.
Okay, buddy.
Is my client waived appearance, or he needs to be there Thursday?
Well, no, so we got to figure out what you guys want to do. If he's going to accept the offer, then he needs to be here. If
Okay.
you guys can set it for trial, then we'll set it. But Mr. Cox, come up.
I think this might have been. I'm not even sure he had. I don't know if he's even been to court on this. This might have been a 2B, Your Honor.
No,
It's not, he's been to court on it?
yeah, there was an attorney of record filed in. Yeah, looks like it was a 2B.
Okay,
Just signed on in December. So if you want to just normal setting, we'll give you a normal setting, Brian.
okay. I can email your coordinator, or
No,
April.
hang tight. I'll get you a date. Hang tight.
Is April 22nd okay?
Let me check with the boss. Hey, I brought some snacks. You want some snacks? Looking at- Hey, can I get a date for top of page 6, please?
Yes, Judge, you have 30 days to do your trial.
It's okay. It was a 2B. I didn't realize it was a 2B. So just a normal setting.
Oh, okay.
He's been on it since December, so.
May 12th through the 14th.
Do you want May or do you still want April?
Is April 22nd okay? Because that'd be a good day for me.
Yeah, it's good. It's yours.
All right, we'll see you on April
Okay.
22nd, or I'll see you Thursday.
It'll be waived for that setting.
He'll be waived. Okay. Chris, you
Okay.
hear that?
Don't pick up any new cases, man. All right, come on.
Thank you, Judge.
You got it. Hey. Hi.
We're approaching today on custody.
Okay,
And, I think we're gonna have to get a trial date on that, but the prosecutor has made a tentative offer, that is depending on the felony case.
that's gonna take another 2 years to,
Well, that's why she's gonna, and she.
The arcade- let me
so
see.
The offer she made on the felony is, well, I'll let you see that.
The current offer on the felony is a 2-year deferred. If she takes it, we have an offer on top 2 cases.
I get it. Ours are 260 days old. I can't sit here and wait and wait and
And so
wait.
I made a counter offer that if she doesn't plead on the felony, would she still honor the offer on this case? And she's, I guess, gonna just think about that, right?
Say that again?
I'm gonna take a look at the 2 cases right now just to see what we could do if she doesn't take.
But I'm saying we should just get a trial date, right?
I'm with you,
And
but
then-
we'll set it for right after the felony,
Okay,
okay? But if she doesn't go, then she got to be done here. I mean,
Okay.
it's 260 days. I'm not going to just wish, hope and pray. What if they reset it over there? If they reset it, then we got to just, I can't.
I understand. All right, thank
I
you.
mean, I can't reward you for picking up a felony to give you just more time and more time and more time. It's too,
Yes, sir.
so give me the date that you want.
Okay, so you said,
So she's set for 4/29. So the first date would be 5/5.
Okay, that's fine.
You want to do that? Okay.
And I'll take a look.
Okay.
Okay. All right, thanks.
And then, good luck.
Thank you.
You need, hey, you see the snacks? No, not candy. You can't have candy. I didn't, that's candy. No. Spaghettos, fries, goldfish. Finish, I did, finish them. Let's go watch it. Come on. Here, let me pause it.
Now, before we start.
Let's go watch it.
Council for recess.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I have to put marker on Docket, it was a fugitive, wanted to, it's set for today, he's actually rolled over to today, because we just needed to sign an entry waiver, he still got local, but he wasn't brought out today, so I don't know what kind of measure for him, so I just want to make sure that since we all rolled him over to tomorrow, that he's brought out.
So is this the second or third time that it failed to appear?
I believe this is this second, but it could be.
Because I can always, what we can always do is if for some reason tomorrow there's a no-show, I can reach out to the court manager's office
Okay.
and then we can have him either Zoom to the jail.
And it's not too pressing or matter, because like I said, he still has the locals. But if he's not gonna be brought out here, I can take the extra business.
No, don't be silly. We can get him.
Yeah.
There's one way. What was the last name again? Parker.
His name is Parker, he's on documents.
Oh, man. Yo. Wow, he's got $1 million bond. Holy moly. So let's do this. Let's try tomorrow. If for some reason he doesn't make it up tomorrow, I'll reach out to the court manager's office and then we'll rope them in and we'll make it happen.
He's rolled over to tomorrow anyway, so if he just
Okay.
doesn't fucking get brought out.
Yeah, just keep me in the loop.
Okay, thanks, Judge.
Hey, anyone else?
Bottom of 28.
I called the name, no one came up.
Oh, okay. Top of 33.
Whitehead? Good morning, ma'am. Do you have a lawyer today?
I've been paying off the night and do gas fees.
Okay, well, no. I don't need to know about all that. Just whether you want to hire a lawyer, do you want to? Okay, we'll give you more time, ma'am, please.
Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
May I approach you?
Please.
Your Honor, I am here on Mr. Joseph Nolasco.
Just last name. Nolasco.
Nolasco. Nolasco. I received information that my client had allegedly skipped 10 tests. Your Honor.
You're free to go.
Come up, Mr. Nolasco.
Thanks. Counsel for reset.
Certainly is not.
I know you're on. I know.
Stop. The problem is that we bend over backwards not to put you in custody, really. And You're now on your second bond violation report. What are we supposed to do? I don't know what else to tell you, but you're not taking us seriously. You don't. Just, all right. Goes with you. I'm sorry. Just talk to your lawyer, but it's your second bond violation. Stop. Just talk with your lawyer. It's just, it continues to happen.
Judge, page 34, and the last page, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there anybody who walk in college?
Yes.
Victoria, what was the last one again?
34.
Wilson, come up. Do you have a lawyer today? Okay, we'll give you more time, but stop. Nope. We'll give you more time, but your case is getting old the next time. Do you understand? All right, come on.
Yeah, I was right, 10,000 on the break.
Go ahead and sign for your visa.
So they gonna bring you back.
All right, there you go. You're free to go.
Thanks to you.
In custody, he's here. For custody, so have you gotten? I would just start with that was a mistake. I'm seriously. We need to pass it. Well, I think that's. So as the doctor and it's not the name of both. Yeah. I don't know if I think I was going to just.
Hey, Mr. D.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
What's up? Yes, of course.
Yes, sir, I'm Mr. Totel, Judge.
Okay,
He's currently charged with assault in your court. I received information that he had picked up a felony assault.
oh, is he here?
He was supposed to have been here because I told him to come here, but he's not here, Judge.
5001.
Thank you,
Please.
Judge.
Thank you. Did you want to stay on, Mr. D, or did you
Yes,
want to
sir.
withdraw? Stay on? Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Hey, did Lori's client show up? No.
No, and she said, he said, you know, she's like, and she's aware of the CPR, and just said if you show up to call her.
Okay. Hey, Mr. Weeks.
Yeah.
What's up, buddy?
You are approaching on Jaden Townsend.
Townsend. Okay. What's the word? Thunderbird?
The state is proposing a bond of $1,000.
You okay with that?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, done.
Thank you, Judge.
I have to admonish though,
Understand.
but so we need to brought out, please. Townsend.
And I'm gonna bring the form because she never signed a waiver.
Okay.
So, yeah, she doesn't have to worry about it. Just.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
So you are wanted out of Curry, New Mexico
Yes, sir.
for embezzlement,
Yes, sir.
$500 to $2,500. Your lawyer is asking for, and I'm granting you a bond of $500. But I want you to understand that this is no joke. You will be expected to go turn yourself in. I don't care what you have to do. I don't care where you got to go. I don't care if aliens try to abduct you. If you fail to do it, I will revoke your bond. I will set it at 0, and I'm not going to give you another one. Do you understand? If you fail to go, then I will issue a nationwide warrant. You can't run forever. I will get you, and this time I will physically hold you here until New Mexico comes and gets you.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir. I need to know like this morning already,
Well,
but I'm taking
Look,
care of
you
it.
don't have to justify anything. You're old enough to know that
Yes.
actions have consequences.
Gotcha.
We give you 2 weeks from the date of your release
Okay,
to go turn yourself in.
I'll do it tomorrow.
The only other thing I was going to tell you is do not wait until the last second, because I don't care if you get a flat tire or whatnot. If you don't do it by the date,
Yes,
bond
sir.
gets revoked.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
all right, guys.
Appreciate it.
Good luck, for sure. Please.
Was that a PR or should we- Was that a PR or-
No, no, there, she has to make the bond. Right, yeah, thanks. So, Mr. Weeks, 500?
Yeah, Judge.
I'm so tired.
Oh, they talk so much though, like I can't. Anyways, hey, so did you hear that?
I can give you that.
That were $500 on the council, please. Okay, Sam, do you have a,
Probably, Judge.
I'm,
Anastasia, it's probably just.
got it, okay. Veronica, the device lost contact with the skin for, was it 23 hours?
No, 2 hours. I actually recorded it, but.
The contact of the Scram device lost 13 hours? Got it.
And,
Okay.
and he is not.
Say it again?
He's not in two of the photos. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, so we'll just hold on. Okay, okay. It's all good. Counsel, it's gonna take a few minutes for it to hit our queue, so we have to. I love this one.
Hey, Anna, did you get my email on Taylor? So your client Taylor just has a BVR.
Okay.
Was gonna pump for Thursday, if that's okay with you.
That's.
Okay,
I'll let her know.
please.
Okay.
Thanks. Yes, ma'am.
Judge,
Did you,
is I think it's back to me the day while this deliberation. He's gonna be on his.
Cool.
I know he's on.
Oh, okay. Got it. Isn't it usually in all the paperwork? Or did they add it? That's weird, right? Huh, okay. Veronica, did Mr. Smith know that he was out of the two of the pictures? He knew? Did you tell the lawyer that? No? Okay, I'll tell him what next time we see him. So please.
I have Flores on the docket.
Okay.
He's in custody, he's in a wheelchair, I'm not sure if we meet there right now. Ms. Victoria said I need to approach him, just so you know where we're at in the case.
You said Torres
Flores.
with an S?
F.
Oh, Flores.
Yes, there's a motion, so, yeah. He also has a pending felony. The last time he was here, we did the TRS. But we know we have to resolve the felony.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Before something truly just devastating happens. Do we have any headway on the felony case? Do you know?
I let the attorney know where we're at. He said that he's just confident state's gonna offer the probation. The felony, I'm not sure exactly if there's more of an update besides that. But I'll let him know afterwards that we're just waiting on the felony.
I'm certainly okay with that, but I think that we really need to delve into the issues as far as why. I mean, I think that that's a good, but.
His felony is next up for the 31st.
Oh, you want to say for the day after?
You can do that. I'm not into, but I don't want him to be held in custody any longer than we did, so.
Okay,
Yeah,
do it. Yeah, I'm with you.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Oh, we're adding a chance to do the 31st. Okay. And then you, thanks. I also don't think on the docket. And whenever she's done with her fingerprints on such, please give me Jacob.
Say, huh?
Jacob.
Check.
Yep.
Yeah. Good morning, Ms. Check. Ma'am, you're charged with theft. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. Actually, you're also charged with failure to identify oneself as a fugitive from justice. On that one, you're facing a year. The agreement that you have worked out is 30 days in jail with credit for the 21 that you have done on the theft case. And it looks like they're going to dismiss your other cases, part of the plea bargain. This theft will go on your record. It will be there forever. You need to understand that. So it appears, I don't know if you have any other thefts from anywhere else, but This is an enhanceable offense, meaning that if you continue to pick that cases up, at some point, they're going to hit you with a felony because they can use it to enhance it. And then you're looking at years instead of days. Do you understand?
Yes.
So it looks like there's two failure to IDs. So both failure to IDs will be dismissed, right? Okay. You were giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, it goes on your record. It'll stay there forever. Is this what you want to do?
Yes.
How do you plead to the offense, man? I'm going to find you guilty, send you to the 30, give you credit for the 21, and good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. What is that? Monster, is that monster trucks? Nice.
I'm just looking at like one here, it says. So, Judge, bottom of says. So you're saying she. Well, I know. So if you. I missed that.
Okay. Friggy, come on up. Hey, guys, can I borrow you a second? All right, Mr. Frugi, you're charged with theft. You're facing up to 6 months in jail. And or a $2,000 fine. You have repeatedly missed court. Your bond is now at 5,002. If you miss court again, it will triple, quadruple, if not quintuple. And all you're doing is you're giving free money to bonding companies. Do you understand? Where is this allegedly from, Sean?
This is from a Walmart.
Okay, you were not allowed back. It is a bond condition of yours that you're not allowed to go back to Walmart. You understand? Okay, how old are you, sir? Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer? You want a court-appointed lawyer? Okay. How are you supporting yourself? What do you do with yourself these days? I plan on getting hair one day. It's probably not going to happen. What's that? Okay, wrong. That needs to change. You need to do something with your life. You're 19. Did you graduate from high school? Great. What are you going to do for the rest of your life? What have you done to further that goal? It's time for you to start doing something. You need to start doing something worthwhile. So it's time for you to get a job. And I want you to start doing that. You don't get to sit and play Xbox all day. Do you understand? So I'm bringing you back in 2 weeks and I want to see what you have done to do that. You understand? All right. Can you follow this condition?
Yes, Judge.
Financial affidavit?
Please.
Okay. Right this one. This is all about right, so savings, shows that there's no supposed to be like the usually. Then you have things to
Yeah.
Sorry about that. Oh. Shh. Okay, you're Mr. Anastasio.
This one.
Sir, you're charged with failure to identify oneself as a fugitive from justice. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 60 days in jail. You know how much credit you have? You have 20 days credit. Is this how you understand the agreement? This charge will go on your record. It will be there forever. You understand?
This one.
You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront, cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this, it's like this forever. Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to the offense? Guilty or not guilty? I will find you guilty, sentence you to it. Good luck to you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Okay, what is? Is that monster truck?
Right. The bottom of 26 is a BVR, but nobody's really had.
Is this person here?
Yes, Judge, from the box.
He was on probation and he picked up a new charge. We gave him until 3:30 to come back to negative. I think the last time he was here was February 26th.
He's currently on probation now, correct?
Yeah. He filed a motion as he picked up a new charge for arrest. So he came to court that on February 26th, he gave him bond conditions and 30 days to hire an attorney, and at that instead, he's supposed to direct us.
Ronnie, on Mr. Roberts, he has a monitor, correct? Can you look into everything to make sure that everything's in complete compliance as far as not going anywhere near the complaining witness?
He's in compliance with the chief, it's just either this on, food as well. Then this applies to the chief.
Roberts, come up. Do you have a lawyer, Mr. Roberts? Tell me what you're doing about that.
Ran out of time. I said I was supposed to do that yesterday, ran out of time.
Okay. You are now on probation. This is number, I'd like to set, I'm setting your case for a hearing to revoke your probation in 2 weeks. Do you understand me? You need to have a lawyer at that time. You're facing, and at that time, you'll get drug tested again. If by 50 days, you are not negative, because I've ordered you not to use as of February 26th, but I'm setting you on your motion to revoke 2 weeks. You understand? Okay. All right, 2 weeks, please.
It's on the 30th, Judge. Did you want to move both of them another 2 weeks?
Yeah, put them both 2 weeks and then we'll,
CHA?
yeah, have a hearing on that day.
Okay.
And then he gets drug tested on that day again.
That's right.
You're cold. It's okay, go ahead.
Bottom of 27 was a THA as well.
Sanders, come up. Mr. Sanders, do you have a lawyer today?
No, sir.
Tell me what you're doing about that.
I'm trying to, I've been doing Amazon Flex to cover, pay for it.
Okay, so you want a little more time?
Yes.
Okay. We'll have you, THA, we'll give you a little bit more time. Come on.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
You saw this sort of very confusing when staff in the stream kind of.
What's this? Anything? No.
An attorney put up to me and said to sign it. I think it was outside. But I know court usually sign it.
Oh, this is for the fugitive prosecutor. Well, no, the defendant's supposed to sign this.
There you go, you're good to go.
Yeah, we need the defendant to, so the defendant should be in back.
Yeah, we'll sign it as they leave. Yeah, I'll email you, sorry, to get the dependencies on. You're going to.
Victoria. Victoria.
Yes, sir.
Ruby, 2 weeks for work.
Okay.
That.
Favorite report.
Is it already covered the company with bond conditions? And if it does, then it needs to be covered. All right. If she been found out, then. Yeah, absolutely. Counsel for reset.
Anyone else we go through?
Almost 23, should she ever approach? She was here earlier. Counsel, but no, okay. I've already emailed several attorneys from lead.
Okay. Any other FTAs?
Yes, George, bottom of one was THA, Fellows here.
5001.
Bottom of four was separate THA, Fellows here.
5002.
Bill?
Yep. And then on top of page 4,
Yes.
let me see.
It depends on the bill on the money. He's on the first.
15,003,
Well, which one, Judge?
top of page 4. Hey, Carl. What's up, man? What's the last name of your client, please?
Ross, R-O-S-S.
Okay,
You know where that.
that's okay.
We'll compare.
So. In jail?
He's in jail, R-O-S-S. Courtney, he's a blind folks previously, he was legal arrested, he got a BPO.
Oh,
The same complaint. In new case, the new, BPO has a $15,000 bond. I think your bond for is $5,000.
yeah, I guess we'll just leave it as is. I mean, I don't know what else,
I mean, so, bro,
Yeah, we'll just give you a normal reset, just so, because we don't want people to fall through the cracks, so whenever we see them, just in case. I am gonna put, I think it'd be prudent to probably put a GPS prior to release, so no contact with the complaining witness in the event that he does bond out, I don't know, but it's Mr. Ross in back, okay. Other than that, I'm at your mercy, whatever you want.
okay,
Okay,
thank you.
thanks, buddy.
Hey, Judge.
Hey, counsel.
Morning, may I approach?
Please.
Judge, I'm here on Mr. Alvin Washington. This matter was carried on Friday over to today with respect to a drug test. He did test positive, but I was advised by below that.
We usually give around 50 days.
Yes, sir.
I don't know where we are with him.
So they did say that they're sending it off to the labs just to show that it's not.
Don't, what did he test positive for?
THC.
He's not supposed to test positive at all, though.
Well,
I don't care about the levels. I care about not testing positive at all.
Well, let me say this. I know you don't care about the levels and I respect that, but if a person smoked well before he was on bond, it's going to take up to 90 days for it to leave the system, depending on how often that person smokes. I've had situations like this. So that's why I request that they show the levels. Because if the levels are going down, it confirms, A, he's not smoking, or B, it's leaving his system.
Great. So if at 90 days, then there's a positive still.
Correct. Then that means he's possibly smoking, unless the levels are
Right.
showing it's excellent, which again,
At 90 days, if it's still positive,
oh, Judge, I have people that smoke, they used to wake up smoke.
I get it, but 90 days.
Absolutely,
Really.
that's, I didn't make that up, that's the science. But I would like to challenge probable cause in this case. We haven't had that, Judge, and
Show me. Come on. Yeah.
I'm pulling it up right now, Your Honor.
Okay.
On January 15th, 2026, in Harris County, Texas, officer initiated a traffic stop on defendant's vehicle for an obscured license plate. Defendant was a driver and sole occupant of the vehicle. Officer detected a strong odor of marijuana emitting from defendant's vehicle. Defendant stated he smoked at home, but not in the vehicle. Upon a search of the vehicle, officer located 2 small plastic baggies with what officer recognized to be marijuana, weighing 0.202 ounces. Officer also discovered a plastic baggie with several white pills that were not inside a prescribed medication bottle. Officer contacted poison control, who advised that one of the pills was hydrocodone, and the other was, yeah.
so, Judge, I showed counsel this, if I may approach, this is my issue with the stop, and I have, if we lose on a probable cause, I have filed a motion to suppress now.
Well, but wait, if you're getting into pictures and stuff, that's really not fair to them. You know, I'm happy to do a suppression, but
I guess my issue is with the obscure license plate, and I'm very well aware of what the transportation code says on this. However, the legislation has cleared it up. As long as you're able to actually read what the license plate is and what state it is, then the license plate realm that you get from dealerships is not considered to be an obscurity. And so that's why we pulled this guy over for that.
I don't know. It just says I pulled him over. He had an obscured license plate. So I mean, it's something that we need him to testify as to, okay, how was it obscured, you know?
Yes, sir.
I mean, what did you not see? And then, but when you start getting into pictures, then it's not fair, you know?
Understood.
If it's something in the law where, okay, you know, weaving and they can't, it's conclusory, then sure, all day, but, so when are we gonna get the levels in?
Usually it's gonna be about a week, this Thursday, we'll most likely have them in.
Okay. We wanna do that?
I will be in, what is this, Kennedy County on
Okay.
Thursday. So
You can do Monday?
I may be able to if I'm not in trial in Hayes County. I'm supposed to start a trial. Matter of fact, they just emailed me about my jury announcement. Of course, I'm gonna say.
Tell me when.
Could we do next Wednesday?
Sure.
So that'll be fine, Judge.
Yeah.
And hopefully we have it and it comes back. We'll be here on Wednesday.
Okay.
Thank you.
Then Wednesday for testing?
Let's see.
I know it's probably too quick.
Looking at results, it would be just, right, yeah.
Thank you. I'm
Okay, yes, sir. Thanks. Mr. Kim? Hi, are you feeling better? Still, tell me, still. You're working too hard, Mr. Kim.
I'm not on meditation, it's not just.
Who do you have?
So.
Just the last name, please.
Yes, last name,
Okay,
she is probably going to be seen on. I am just working on a motion for me to be able to inspect the phone in the jail to get the phone numbers out of it. We had this conversation, I think, some other case before, where if I go take their phone out of the jail, that's fine, but now I have this phone and they don't, for when they're released. So I have a motion in the queue to ask you to allow the jail to let them see the phone and give it right back to me.
I'm not opposed.
I'll grant.
Okay, and then the other one, client is asking for me to prepare a bond hearing for him.
This is the same person or a
No,
different one?
person. Last name.
Were you singing a bond on this one here, on the phone person, or no?
I just feel unprepared. I feel like I don't have what I
Okay,
do.
I mean, just take your time whenever you're ready. Let us know.
I'd like to roll him maybe a day or two.
Sure, of course.
But the second person, last name is Ward.
Ward.
The demanding offense is probably, but I do my finance, right?
Sure.
So,
Don't feel bad. Do what you need to do. Doesn't matter. You're never gonna hurt anyone's feelings around here. We have thick skin, you know? Really. And any judge who gets mad at you for doing your job, come on.
I suggested it might be fruitful to have it now because of what he's charged with is I would find it hard for us, the court would give him a bond, but it's one of those. Maybe he needs to be.
Okay, do you mind bringing out Mr. Ward when you have a chance?
I don't know if they're still.
I know, finish.
Mr. Ward is already sent back for the charging with the building.
So.
this, I guess, was just to let you know that,
Oh,
this might.
I guess preparing me for what's going to come. But he's wanted for felony molestation, lewd of lascivious acts for a victim under 12 years old.
If I got an indication from you, Your Honor, today, then I can go back and talk to him and say this happened. That's.
I would probably. Tell me about, you're obviously opposed.
I am.
Other than the serious nature of the offense, do you have anything else that like would indicate flight riskiness?
I could get it, that's like.
If I were to set one, it's going to be high because of the nature of the offense and because.
No, he's, well, actually, no, it's the same. There are multiple offenses from, I don't know if it's Air Force, it's military sub fashion, communicating with threat, assaulting his country by battery, sexual harassment. And then it resulted in disciplinary action, but it wants to be clear that it's a non-judicial disciplinary action, which does not constitute a criminal offense. But,
Whoa, are you saying like military tribunal stuff? Or?
I want to say yes, this is a follow-up thing, Jill, of a general order regulation, which like wrongfully used, and then it cites the armed security, Air Force security forces. So it seems to be no wrong.
I probably want, if we were to do it, I would probably want his passport as well. Yeah, I mean, it's gonna be high. I mean, if I were to, I don't know.
Thank you.
Okay. Sure. Hi, Owen. Please, sir.
In your sheet, there is an order to remove interlock device. This case was closed like 13 years ago, but for some reason, there's an order still ordering an interlock device.
Are you on cruise?
No, it's Manriquez.
Judge, it's in all documents.
Okay, I'll sign it.
If you would.
Yeah.
Sign it.
Of course.
His mother works at my office and she wants to get a driver's license. So
Done.
can't do it as long as you.
Okay, have fun. Ms. Henley.
Morning, Judge.
Hi, good morning. How was your trip?
It was good, Judge. I'm not happy to come back.
Me too.
Do you have
Touche.
one coming up anytime soon?
Well, huh?
Do you have one coming up anytime soon? No. When you say I can your wings.
That's okay. I say, how about a little Henley jerky?
That's about right. When I love diving. I absolutely love it.
Me, you know what? We're huge divers as well. Huge. Well, but prior to having these little, we were like 4 times a year, go out all over and you know.
I was in Bonaire diving.
Wow, that's awesome.
Yeah, I loved it. My favorite was Nine. You know, they have 64 dive sites on the main one.
Okay.
And then they have Climb Boat here. I don't know if you've ever been there. It's a small.
No, never.
It's uninhabited. They've got 23 sites there. They're all the same, but they're different. And I finally found one that
knife, it's not knife, but it's so different. And I just get, my phone gets filled up with pictures I see like the camera case. It's just a weird stuff. Go, why you just say that? I'm like,
It's great. It's just so much, you know, I went
peaceful.
many years ago, I went in Belize has a blue hole. We went down, I was down probably 160 feet and I got narcosis. I was messed. I mean, it was so bad the narcosis that I'm like trying to yank my rag and trying to yank my mask off because I was beyond wasted. Just
How are you
like,
160 feet deep?
well, because there's the hole and then they have like a little cave, like right down at 150 feet to
Is
160
this the
feet.
blue hole?
Yeah.
I'm
So
going
it
to
goes
jail.
down just, and the dive master just had to sit there and hold the mask on my face because I was just
That's what they
completely
say.
out of it.
I've watched some of that stuff.
So
I watched a video the other day and I was like, Lord, and they're all like ganging up on him because he's trying to rip his stuff off.
I'll never go that deep again. I was just,
I've been 120, but only for a very short period and then went back up because they were showing us
right. But
something.
we weren't there for that long. We get down there and I was maybe like a minute or two down there and that's when it hit me. And
We're
I'm
on
like,
Blackhawks.
no, just
Yeah,
regular,
I'm
just
not-
air. But I was beyond gone. I was, just, but it was fun until
Other
that
than
point.
that, well, I've gone to the blue hole in June.
Just be careful.
Yeah. I didn't know somebody died.
Right.
I forgot to change my watch.
Is this Mr. Hurd?
It is, Judge.
Good morning, Mr. Hurd.
And Judge, I want to just point something out to you before we do this. I tried to tell Mr. Hurt he wants to get out of custody. I haven't reviewed any evidence in this case and him accepting that 2-year probation, I'm really very nervous about that for him. In part because of all the financial stuff involved.
He's right. The thing is that you couldn't even make it to court. How on earth are you going to make it to probation? You're going to report once a month? Really? You couldn't even make it to court. Were you going to forget about probation too? You're going to be doing so much more time if you get on probation and it mucks up versus anything else. You better than anyone else, Mr. Hurt. Just listen for a second. You better than anyone else. Are you really going to not consume alcohol, illegal drugs, report every month, do community service, do classes, have a guardian interlock? Are you really going to comply with these things for 2 years? Right. The problem is it's not a joke. It's not, okay, let me just sign on probation just to get out. It doesn't work like that because you're going to be expected. And I'm telling you, if you violate this by using alcohol, what I do, I don't just take pleas for you to get out of jail. You will do an evaluation to see, and if they order you to go into inpatient treatment, I'm going to do that because I follow what they say. You better than anyone else. What I would say is probably talk to her to really figure out. I mean, you're not getting out anyways. You have an open felony. You've not made bond on the felony. You're sitting here regardless.
Just so I can tell you, they're going to dismiss the felony as
Oh.
a result of this plea. But my concern was that she was going to talk to her chief about whether we could do a time served because it's a longer time period. And so we were going to reset him for 2 days for that to occur. And he didn't want me to do that.
How much credit does it? I mean, I'm down.
Okay.
If that's what you want to do, I'm down.
So I can
You know,
get an open plea.
if you want to do it today, I'm happy today. If you want to do it tomorrow or the next day, I'm happy to do it. But really,
You mean you can't do it?
I don't want you to be punished more. Number one, number two, what happens the next time you pick up a DWI? How many people tell me that on a daily basis, Mr. Hurd? I get it, but maybe someday something will fall in your lap. someone, hey, can you take me here? Can you take me there? You never know what's going to happen in this future that's going to make you do something that you wouldn't normally do. Your brother dies, your wife cheats on you, your grandmother dies. You never know what's going to happen in this life that's going to make you do something you wouldn't normally do. But you still need to know what happens on the next DWI. What? What happens on, you need to know what happens on the next one. No, prison.
I don't want to do that. Definitely don't want to do that.
You're looking at up to 10 years in prison the next time you would ever pick up a DWI. Once you finish with this case, a third DWI, it's a felony offense. If you thought this was bad, wait till you get to felony court on the DWI.
He did just whisper to me and tell me if you would accept that time served.
I would, yeah.
An open plea to you. if
Are
they-
you okay with that? I mean, we have to redo the paperwork, but
I'm taking a look at it. I'm asking for it to make sure that felony did not have any condition on our.
that's a good point. A
So
lot of times they'll make it because of the treatment and because of this and that. I don't know.
understand.
Let's stand down for a couple minutes, see what happens. I'm okay with whatever you guys want to do. I don't want to set you up for failure. If you don't have a car, if you don't have a ride, if you don't have a lot of money, you are still expected to do the same thing everybody else does. You have to get an interlock that's going to cost you $70 to $100 a month. That in and of itself. And I can't pay for it. Otherwise I would. So we'll give you a little bit of time. Let's come back. I mean, just let me know.
Well, Judge, I just didn't want to interfere with your schedule. I'm going to wait.
Whatever you want.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay. I guess she wants to check, make sure she's okay with it. When she is, if she is, then I am too. We'll come back.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, Mr. Hurd. Okay, great. I think that when we get the resets for the fugitive cases, do we file it or? do we-
Yes, so we just signed it, so now she can.
It's filed into the case?
Oh, but does the coordinator or the judge need to sign it? Because it has that signature. No, it doesn't, because we don't even pick the dates, fugitive, fugitive, so that's fine. Okay, yeah.
It gets filed into the case. That way everybody can see when they're supposed to get.
Yes.
Yeah.
I was just wondering about this part at the bottom. That's.
It's a good question, for sure. What did you have?
Oh, and on docket, Judge. So, and you see that one, here. It is 2540629. You know how you grant the PR bond for the out of counties? So it's that situation, but for our case. It was in Montgomery County and they gave him a PR bond.
So they didn't pick them up?
Right. So he's here.
Where is he now?
In the box, Judge.
Okay, got it. All right, counsel. Ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Come on up.
I have two cases. One of them I'm not ready to give you a little background.
Just the last name, please.
Last name is
In jail or on bond?
Jail.
844.
Thanks. Okay,
I pointed to this, I believe there was a PDO conflict and I'm just looking at it and I saw on his terroristic threat case, there was a court directive to release to the mental health center. I'm guessing since this has been picked back up, that was no longer going for it. I don't know if anybody's up to date on that before I speak to my client.
I would probably reach out to the prior lawyers to see what happens. I have no idea.
Okay, me neither.
I mean, maybe there was something in there initially. Was that on the new VPO or on the terroristic threat?
No, it was on the terroristic threat.
So probably what my thinking is they had something like that, but because they picked up a new VPO, it may have put a hold on everything. And is the VPO with someone else? Or is the same complaining witness? So I have no idea.
Okay,
Why don't we maybe roll it a day or two,
That'd be great.
and then you can do your diligence and see.
That would be great. Judge.
Sure.
Will you be here tomorrow? In fact?
Yeah. Yeah.
Great. I'll do that for him. And I do have another case for you, Judge.
Just the last name.
Newsom.
Okay.
And she is here. And we reviewed the state's proposed bond conditions. We have no issues with that. No contact with the
Yeah, right. Okay. She's with you.
Good to go then?
Okay. Have
Thank
fun.
you. Appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Hi, Stacy.
Morning, Judge.
Who is your guy again?
My client is.
Just the last name. O'Hare. What are we doing?
Your Honor, we're set today to receive videos from the state. We've been requesting these videos since January, when we noticed that they actually didn't show us the stuff showed why she had to ID herself. And it looks like they might have it from another court attendant, but we still haven't received it. We have the video, are happening right now. I asked him if he could put on a flash drive. But he said he can also upload it to the portal, so he's doing that right now.
Yeah.
And Your Honor, my understanding was that if they didn't have the videos for today, we were gonna get set up for trial on Wednesday.
Okay. So did we set it for a 10-day discovery hearing? And you still don't have it?
My admin's getting them uploaded right now. He said he has them downloaded. I asked him if he could put it on a flash drive, but he said he's able to download them or upload them onto the portal, so he's doing that.
When is that going to be accessible to her?
Should be today.
Well,
Has to get them uploaded. Not that you don't have to. And Your Honor, I believe that the other case that is set to trial to be with is on April 14th.
is that is that her other case? Okay.
And what we had discussed last time is that if they had the discovery, then we would set it for 2 weeks. But I mean, I haven't had a chance to review. Yeah, I'm being.
So, she's saying she's going to get to you today. Why don't we roll it till tomorrow? And I'll waive the appearance. If it's not here, if you don't have it today, then that's it.
I would be opposed to that, Judge, but
You would be opposed to that?
yes.
Why?
Because my client has been waiting since these cases have been open and she's been struggling to get a job. And we requested this multiple times.
And I agree with you, but the 10-day discovery hearing, today's the 10th day. They're supposed to have it to you today. So conceivably, they could have it to you within the next hour or so, which is still today. But, if by the end of, then nothing, that's it. At 190 days, if it's not here within the next couple hours, then okay.
This is the first time I heard about, because the videos are from a case it's not this case, it's another defendant's case. And so I believe it was earlier this month, it was the first time
I don't understand. I mean, it's not your video. So what,
another case.
but is it discovery regarding this case?
So it was in the office report, the officer stated he watched body worn camera from another case. So the first time I heard about
But
it.
how would it reflect on this case?
It doesn't, my client was a passenger.
Well, why would videos from another case impact this case?
Because in the videos that they've given me in this case, Judge, it doesn't show any probable cause or reasonable suspicion to have to ID her. And so she exercised her right not to ID herself because there was no suspicion of her committing a crime. And then an hour later, it's when she got detained allegedly with this other case. And it still doesn't reflect on my case for the failure to ID. The videos that I've been reviewing and even the ones from the other officer, they don't relate to the actual incident that happened an hour later. Your Honor, I believe that they can ID the passenger in the vehicle when they asked her to identify herself. She refused to do so.
Did she have to?
Or so, I believe that the videos are from that incident.
I guess you're saying the videos that are uploaded now have nothing to do with your case?
Correct. Well, no, the videos that are uploaded now don't show that there's a suspicion of her committing a crime to have to ID herself as a passenger. Only the driver, and they fixed it and they let them go on their way. And then.
What are the other videos going to, I mean, do you know what they're gonna show?
I don't know, Judge. The office report was actually very vague, and it said that there was a Docket incident as to why they got detained an hour later. But again, there's no way for me to tell if it's with the driver of the vehicle or my client.
So you're telling me that there was a suspicion that they were participants in a jugging?
Yes, Your Honor. Officers observed a vehicle using a jugging a few days prior. They observed this vehicle had a fictitious temporary license plate and performed a traffic stop. They detained the driver and asked the passenger to identify herself, which was defendant, and she refused to do so.
I think that's, I mean,
As a passenger, how is she supposed to have knowledge about the vehicle? They went ahead and talked to the driver, and the driver showed like some sort of rental agreement with the vehicle. And they're like, well, we're just gonna take the top tags off. And that's what the officers did and concluded the investigation.
regardless, I mean, if he's referencing videos in his offense report that he's using to justify anything, they're allowed to have it. They should have it.
The videos, we're just getting them uploaded onto the portal. The reason they're not calling the portal, they weren't attached to the case when we requested the
I understand, but at some point, someone has to be responsible. We can't just, okay, well, we forgot to, we didn't look at this. I mean, justice delayed, justice denied. We can't just continue. We're now at 190 days. We set case for trial at 180. So if they don't have it by the end of today, then that's it. Nothing comes in.
Okay, thank you, Ron.
Yeah. So you want to roll till tomorrow? Make sure you get it? Okay. And I'll waive it so they shouldn't have to wait.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Okay.
Judge, you ready for the off docket?
Come up, Mr. Bell. Has he been here all morning?
Yeah.
So I guess Mr. Bell was in jail in a different county.
Correct.
Does he have any other cases that are open? If you can run an NCIC, please. Mr. Bell, you're charged with the unlawful carrying of a weapon. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine.
I don't see any other open cases, Judge.
Does he have a license to drive? You were what, 20 years old?
Yes, sir.
What are you doing with yourself these days, Mr. Bell?
Work.
What do you do with yourself?
Go to work.
Okay, doing what?
I'll talk from that.
Okay,
There's no license on file.
okay, you're not allowed to drive a car. And I'm also, as a condition of your bond, order you not to be in possession of any weapons. If I find that you do, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. So it's still in warrant status now, correct?
I can double check. I think it took it out.
Ma'am, come in or out? You can come in. Are you with this gentleman?
Yeah,
Who are you?
it's small.
Come on up.
It's still in there.
Do we need to do a PR bond?
We can.
I think we should just, out of an abundance of caution, so people don't think that he has a warrant out for his arrest. I've ordered him as a condition of his bond not to be in possession of any weapons.
Okay.
I just want him to be as productive as possible. Your mom,
Yes.
are there any other conditions you think that we need to do that are appropriate?
Well, I was just trying to make sure.
Let's not talk about the case.
Okay,
I'll give you guys a lawyer. You guys can talk to the lawyer of the case. I just want to know, is there anything else you would like me to do? Because I don't want you to pick up any new cases. I want you to be as productive as possible. I don't want to have to put you in jail. If you pick up a new case, you're wrong with the run crowd that's going to bring you down, it don't matter. A lot of this life is who you hang out with. You know, you hang with dogs, you know what happens.
So, recently, when he turned 18, he moved out, so now he's getting on the right track. He just got his own apartment, he's doing good, he got his child, he's working.
Is this your child?
Yeah,
Okay, good.
I help him, to make sure that he's doing what he's supposed to be doing, but previously, they 18.
Yeah, I know, I get it, and I want to see you on the right track, but you're 20, you already picked up a new case. It's crazy the amount of people that we have in our jails now. We have so many people, we have to shuffle them to Louisiana, pay $36 million just to shuffle people to Louisiana. It's nuts. Don't end up in the system. If I find that you have a gun, I'm gonna go bananas on your bond. Do you understand me? We'll give you a lawyer. We'll take care of everything. Just stay out of trouble. Don't pick up any new cases. You understand? All right. We'll have you sign a reset. I'm going to have bond conditions created for you to sign. Just hang tight and we'll find you a lawyer. Okay. PR bond, please.
Was that pre-trial bond conditions?
No, state. Yeah. Do you mind filing no weapons?
Yes. No, he's in, if you want the driving.
Yeah, yeah, no driving too. Right. Yeah. Hang on. Abel,
Judge, good morning. Can you hear me?
what's up, bud? Yeah, we got you.
Yes, Judge. I'm approaching on Frugie, Frugie, Wesley.
Come on up, sir. This is the lawyer that's been appointed to represent you in your case. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with him. Abel, he's not working, he's not doing anything at this point, so he's headed down a wrong path. So we want to make sure that he does something worthwhile.
Judge, if that's the case, can we have appearance required on those settings?
Yeah, I want to make sure that he's working. Job. That is the word of the month. You must get a job. I want you to be the best person that you can be. And if you have too much time on your hands, you become self-destructive. It's not going to happen here. If you don't, it's not going to end well between us. Do you understand? Okay. We'll have you sign a reset. On that reset will be your lawyer's number. Edge, do you mind getting this? Do you have a cell phone? Okay, do you mind giving the number? I'll chat you his phone number here momentarily, Abel.
Yes, sir.
Do you want to give me a date?
Yes, Judge. How is April 13th through the 16th?
Any one of those days works.
15th?
15th it
Sounds
is.
good.
And I'll chat you his number now.
Thank you, Judge.
See you soon.
Yes, sir.
Hold on, Abel. Let me send you the number.
Yes, Judge.
There it is.
I see it. Thank you, Judge.
All right, buddy. Take care.
Yes, sir.
All right, Judge, bottom of page 1
5001.
was here. And he was skipped over. Bottom of page 1.
I called him. He didn't answer.
Wesley Frugie. Alexander.
I called him multiple times and
Judge, maybe it was Smith that you called multiple times?
no, I called Smith too.
Oh. Did you want me to reset Alexander? All right, Mr. Brady, go ahead. Sign right with
Just send them home with an application.
Judge, and then top of 5,
Okay.
Alexander, come on up.
This is a copy of your nominations, both of them, and this is your case of the scene.
Hey, you okay? We're almost done.
There, I'm sorry, Judge, we're gonna do them late for time served, Judge.
Sure, okay.
We're just waiting on
Yeah,
that page.
Not
I
a, not a problem.
apologize.
Don't. You're good.
Thank you.
Yes.
There you go. All right, I'm gonna be done with the thing, this stuff, but then I have to just bring it back.
Hey, same, 1 week on the other one.
Asher?
I'm gonna get you signed in just a. Your reset.
What do you want to do for lunch?
Martha. Holy much.
What? No. Come here, you're running. Here, come up. Okay. We're almost done now, okay? Oh, hey, careful with that.
All right, Judge, bottom of 28.
What about it?
Who's asleep back there on the time before?
Okay, I guess THA as well.
Okay.
Hey, I revoked someone else. Who did I revoke? Salazar, oh, no, Salazar. Who's the other one?
Nolasco?
Nolasco, that's it.
He's already got it.
All right, Judge, we thank you so.
Okay. So, Mr. Hurd, you've worked out an agreement where they're offering you 24 days in jail with credit for the time that you've done. You need to understand that this charge will go on your record. You and I will not see any more. Next time you pick up a DWI, if you do, you will be up in felony court. Yet you have another one with alcohol in the car. It says it's charged as an open
The
container.
last year wasn't dismissed, so this is a second.
This is a second. Or this is a.
It's a first, but it would just be a second arrest.
Are you charging it as a first?
Yes. The prior case was dismissed.
Right. Did he have an open container?
He did, Judge, but the prior charge was dismissed.
Oh,
So this is it's not a true first.
you know, I would venture a guess that it's damn elementary that you're not to have alcohol in the car while you're driving, Mr. Hurd. And it's a minimum of 6 days flat to any sentence when they prove that you have an open container in the car. How many people do we see die on our roads every damn day because of this? Do you understand? It's not hard. You know, if you want to drink to your heart's content, take a freaking Uber. It's not hard. It costs you, I mean, $20 will get you wherever you want to go in this life. And you've now spent 24 days in jail. You know what I mean? It's not hard. You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. This will now reflect as a conviction on your record. From now on, it's a minimum of 30 days in jail to any sentence that you get. You understand? Is this what you want to do?
You want to do this, please?
You want to do this plea bargain? All right. Like I said, this will go on your record. It will be there forever. You understand? All right. How do you plead to the offense of driving while intoxicated? Is it true or untrue that you had an open container in this car as well? All right. I'm going to find that allegation true as well. Mr. Hurt, just please don't kill anyone. I mean, we're not asking for much, you know?
Yes.
All right. Good luck to you. I am going to suspend your license for 180 days. Do not drive until you get a license, all right? All right, good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
CC. Okay.
I
Thanks,
appreciate you
guys.
and your child. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for helping us, Ms. Emmy. All right, Mr. Hurd, just please. All right, thanks.
All right, still bottom of page 6 and page 7.
Hold on, let me just, I gotta write this down. I couldn't. Did you say he had 8 days, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you said bottom of 3 and 4?
6 and 7.
Oh, 6 and 7. What about it?
So she's here, she was on docket, I think, for Friday or Thursday and didn't show up, so we hold it for today. She's here, but now counsel's not here. I've been emailing.
Okay, just roll till tomorrow. Maybe one day we'll get it when they're both here. Caramba la bamba.
Right, Judge, bottom of 29 is THA.
Or I guess, you know what I would say? Hey, don't just roll it to tomorrow. Let's roll it to it. Is there a day that the defense lawyer is going to be here this week?
I can check. I'm not-
That let's see that way we can, you know,
But she picked it.
Who did?
The attorney picked it.
okay, can you reach out to the MAC then and see? And then I guess pick whatever day she wants, because she was here.
Bottom of 29 is THA. That was here.
5001. Okay, we're done.
Bottom of 29, Thomas, she did call saying she could not be here today. I don't know if that's. No.
Okay, Alex, let's roll.
Yeah, let's go with it.
Get you lunch. Are you ready?